Welcome to Amigo's Cook Room. Today we'll be preparing 3 kinds of chutneys that you can easily prepare at home and enjoy it with idli, uttapam, dhokla and samosa. Starting with peanut chutney, the ingredients needed are asafoetida or hing, salt, mustard seeds, 2 teaspoons of gram or chana dal, cubes of ginger, half cup of peanuts, 5 to 7 green chilies, tamarind pulp and some water. At first we need to dry roast the peanuts. Make sure that you don't over roast them. Once done, remove the skin and keep it aside. Now in a pan heat some oil and to it add around 2 teaspoons of gram or chana dal and fry it till golden brown in color. Slowly add green chilies and ginger and fry it for 1 minute. Add the peanuts and fry it for another minute. Once done, let it cool and transfer the fried ingredients to a mixer grinder bowl. Add half teaspoon of asafoetida or hing, some salt to taste, and the tamarind pulp. And make a paste out of it. Here you can add some water as per your preferred consistency. For tempering, heat some oil and add few mustard seeds. Fry them for a minute and pour it over the paste. For tempering, along with mustard seeds, you can use few curry leaves as well. Enjoy this peanut chutney with idli, dosa or uttapam. For instant rava idli recipe, do check the link given in our description box. For the paste we need onion, garlic, chana dal, red chilies, oil, salt and tamarind, and for tempering, oil, mustard seeds and few curry leaves. To start with, first roughly chop the onions. Now heat some oil and add 3 teaspoons of gram or chana dal and fry it well. In the meantime, add 6 to 8 dry green chilies and fry them till the gram turns golden brown in color. Now slowly add the onions and garlic. Some salt to taste and saute it till the onion turns translucent. Once done, turn off the flame and let it cool. Now add the tamarind pulp and the sauteed ingredients to a mixer grinder bowl and make it to a fine paste. You can also add water as per your preference. For tempering, heat some oil and add few mustard seeds. Fry it and pour the tempering over the paste and mix it well. Enjoy this spicy kara chutney with any South Indian delicacies. Now we'll prepare a khatti meethi chutney that we all enjoy having with samosa or dhokla. For this we need tamarind, mustard seeds for tempering, salt to taste, red chili powder, 1/3 cup of sugar, lukewarm water to soak the tamarind, and some oil. Now let's check with the procedure. Add some lukewarm water to the tamarind and soak it at least for 1 hour. Here, if you want, you can also use regular water in case you're in a hurry. Strain the pulp and keep it aside. In a pan, heat around 1 teaspoon of oil. Add the mustard seeds and wait till it crackles. Simmer the gas and carefully add the tamarind pulp. Also add the sugar, mix it well and bring it to boil. Add salt to taste and some red chili powder as per your preference and mix it well. Cook it for 2 minutes to have the medium consistency, but remember this chutney should not be a very thick one. Enjoy this khatti meethi chutney with dhokla or samosa. Don't forget to check our description box to know about the dhokla recipe. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.